yesterday I said to you that Bitcoin, if it broke out of this channel, it would go up at least the top of this wedge, which would be a 22% trade. So it did break that, and the reason it did break that, if you see last night, or what time was that? Yeah, last night about 8 o'clock, you see that it touched the inside of the channel, acted as resistant, brought it back down. But then this morning, Elon Musk set his Twitter status to Bitcoin, and it absolutely sent Bitcoin through the roof. So it was due to come back down, test this neckline, and then bounce back up. Obviously, because of Elon's tweet, Bitcoin shot up a massive 20%. Now it's come back down, it's consolidating. Is Bitcoin going to remain above this trend line with this rising wedge? If you look in my previous video yesterday, I did say that Bitcoin was in a rising wedge and it was bouncing in this area, and the volume was depleting, and it just needed to make its mind up what it was going to do. There was a bullish divergence. So that played out perfectly, because it bounced off this neckline of this head and shoulders pattern and went up, tested the support, the resistance, and came back down. It was due to come back down, and Elon Musk did that and sent it to the stratosphere. So at the moment it's consolidating. If we switch to a smaller time frame, on the hourly, you can see it's broke out. And the question is now, what we need to keep an eye on is, will Bitcoin come down, test this as support now, and then go up? So this is a key area now in the next few hours for Bitcoin. What I'll be looking as confirmation is more volume coming in on the buy side around about this point. So potentially you're looking at a trade, a long trade off this trend line, which is $34,000. I would be setting a stop loss, and then I would be looking to bounce back up to the original high. So that's an 11% trade. Wait for Bitcoin to test this trend line and see exactly what happens here. So as you can see, we're coming back down now. If we switch to a 15-minute timeline, you can see we're consolidating. It's actually forming quite a nice bull flag. So if we said that this was a bull flag on the 15-minute time frame, we could potentially just do something like this, at the top of the flag to the breakout. So Bitcoin could be looking to more upside after this consolidation of around 41k after this next level of breakdown. So at the minute Bitcoin went up, and now it's consolidating. It's forming what looks like a bull flag, and the next step could potentially up here. So that could be the potential next step for Bitcoin, and that could happen as soon as today. You can see that again, that the volume's leveling off here. So something needs to happen within the next couple of hours for Bitcoin. So, and the reason Elon Musk has updated his status is because obviously what's been going on with Wall Street and Wall Street Bets is a Reddit subreddit, and they basically all clubbed together and they've longed a load of stonks. One in particular, GameStop, GME is its ticker. They dug deep and they've all longed it, and they're not selling it. But what happened was, some of the platforms, especially Robinhood, in which people buy the stock, Robinhood disabled the users' accounts and sold the stock for them, which is unbelievable. It's unprecedented. So it's basically fraud. So Elon Musk yesterday said that. So yeah, basically Elon Musk said yesterday that you can't sell houses you don't own, and you can't sell cars you don't own, but you can sell stock you don't own. This is bullshit. Shorting is a scam. So obviously Elon Musk doesn't believe that what's going on with Robinhood and that is fair to the people, us the little man. So he's done something about it, and basically updated his status there to Bitcoin, which is very positive for Bitcoin. As soon as that went up, Bitcoin shot up 20%. It's ridiculous. So is this it? Is this the start of the new bull run for Bitcoin? So yeah, definitely keep an eye on these levels here, guys. Yeah, so please subscribe to the channel down below, and please share this video and also like it. Cheers.